So how many of you are familiar with building a longboard? That's what I thought. So it is my job today to show you the four main parts of a longboard and how you can combine them to form a complete rideable longboard. Now, the four parts needed to build a longboard are the deck, the wheels, the bearings, and the truck. And once you learn about these parts, you will then learn how to combine them all into a rideable, complete longboard. So let's start off with the deck. The deck is the physical part of the longboard that you stand on. And it can be made from a variety of different materials such as cedar wood, bamboo, and I've also seen some decks that are made out of carbon fiber. And the deck contributes to the overall longboard because all the other parts attach to it. Now for the wheels. The wheels are the only part of the longboard that make contact with the ground. And all longboard wheels are made from polyurethane because according to a company named Sunray Incorporated, a company that when polyurethane is created, it tends to retain its shape and its resilience under stress, tension, or compression, which is what you do with your longboard. And the wheels contribute to the main longboard because they allow you to move on any surface such as pavement or asphalt. So now the next part is the bearing, and this allows your wheels to spin, and the inner part of the bearing stays perfectly still, and the outside actually spins. And again, they're made from either steel or ceramic, and they contribute to the board because they attach your wheels to your bearing. They attach your wheel to the truck. And basically what a truck is, this is a truck, and they attach your wheels and bearings to the actual back of the board. And according to Dick's Sporting Goods, which is a seller of sporting equipment, trucks are made from alloy metals such as titanium or steel. And if I can catch it, this part of the board allows you to turn, and it keeps your wheels properly anchored to the bottom of the longboard. So now that we've learned about all four of the parts, let's go ahead and construct it. So the first part that you want to do is you want to take your unfinished wheel and you want to take two bearings. Put one of the bearings into the wheel just like this and press it as hard as you can. And then do the same thing with the other side. Now once you've done that, I have another wheel that's already done. Now once you've done that, take your truck and your wheel, and that little hole right inside of the bearing, you put right onto the truck, and you take a bolt and bolt it on right to the end of the truck. And you do this for the other side. And basically what that does is it stops the wheels from coming off when you're riding, which is not really a good thing. So once you have your two trucks already made, the only thing that you have left to do is to just take a really strong screw and screw them on to these four holes except on this side. So again, the main parts of a longboard are the deck, the wheel, the bearing, and the truck. Once you combine these parts, you'll have a complete rideable longboard. And it is my hope that one day you'll take this information and build a longboard of your very own, just as I have done. Thank you.